So here's a simple way to show your students how to go onto Schoology through Safari, and it is way easier for students to complete work that they have already missed since we are on week 4, and if they want to go back and do their missing work, it takes a lot of effort to go through the folders, so this is an easy way to fix that. I showed my foundations yesterday, and I noticed a lot of kids going back and doing their missing work. So the first thing that they need to do is type in SPPS Schoology in Safari. So I click on the first one and it brings them to the St. Paul Public Schools page, and they'll click on login to Schoology on the right side. So I'm going to log in using a student account so that I can show you what it looks like. And like I said, it's just an easier way for them to go in and actually just get the missing work done faster. So once they're in and they go to courses, they can pick a course. So I'm going to go to her math. On the left side, she'll pick grades. And hers is translated, so now I got to figure out which one it is. There we go. Okay, so when you're in here, it shows them what they have submitted. So obviously the first 3, she submitted something and I've graded these 2, but I can see that she hasn't finished yesterday's assignment or the exit ticket from yesterday. But instead of having to go back and forth, if she clicks on the link, it brings her right to my discussion post. So she can type it in there, type her answer in here, and then she can actually just go back to her other tab and do the same thing for everything else. So now I'm going to the worksheet. They can easily download it, put it into Notability, just like they usually would, and then when they're done, like I said, they can go back here and click on the next thing. The only way that they can get the links is if they go through Safari. If they go through the app, they won't actually be links. They will just say which assignments that students are missing. If you have questions, please feel free to email me, but I think this is a super important thing to show students in Foundations today or tomorrow so that they can navigate their missing assignments on their own. If they are missing assignments, I'll go to another course and see if she's missing any. But it will show up as a hexagon, and that will also be a good thing to show students that have missing assignments, what that will look like and why it's marked as a 0. So for example here, it's marked as missing so that that student knows that, and she can click on that assignment and get right to it and read and do it right in Safari.